Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to text bold in text box in a Google Doc. So let's started. At first, open your document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for plus new option. It's waiting. Then you can see and now click for the text box and create a text box. This text box is background color and click for the fill color option, then choose color and border color. This text box is write your text. Now text box is text is bold and select your all text and going to the more menu option and click for the bold option. Now click for the text colors. Now click for the save and close option. It's okay. Then ensure the text bold is text box in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.